the first thing is we'll pull out, I'll put this aside for a second. This is a pretty iconic chair. It's almost kitsch right now. It's called an Eames chair after Charles and Ray Eames. They were a husband and wife design team. They worked for Herman Miller, which is a American furniture company. So you can see this chair and the ottoman in many different places. They did a lot of reproduction with this chair. It was first produced in the late 50s and has been produced ever since, and there's lots of knockoffs. What you want to see is you want to look at how many pieces of plywood are in this. Now this one has 5, so it's an older model. The 7, if there's like 7 layers, that's not in one of the original chairs. You also want to see that, which this may be a little, that's about right, that the piece from the chair, the cushion matches the size of the cushion on the ottoman. Flip it over. Now, most of the times, these chairs are gonna have stickers on the bottom of them. This one does not, so that's usually problematic, but we can also measure the size of the chair to make sure it's correct. And you do want to see that these are made out of one solid aluminum piece and they're on an angle. Another thing is why this chair is so good, even though it's really low to the ground, so it's hard to get in and out of. It has this little tilt in it that allows you to take pressure off of your back. So when you're sitting in the chair, it should tilt back a little bit, which is kind of springing a little bit. If you see any mechanism to help it tilt back, that is a reproduction. Here also we see we have a little tear, but the good thing is with Herman Miller's furniture, any piece that's damaged, you can actually send back to Herman Miller and they will replace the piece with a modern piece. Also, what we can look down the chair, we want to make sure that there's shocks here, rubber shocks. Everything is in one piece here, and here we go. So this is what we want to see on the bottom of the chair. I'm going to flip this chair over. So here we go. We have the round Herman Miller tag that says, design in Zeeland, Michigan. And then we have this sticker here with all the patent numbers. So that's what we want to see to make sure it's a real chair. So this chair, even though it's a little beat up, we're probably going to we like to be conservative with our estimates because we want as many people as possible to participate in the auction. Because once somebody starts bidding at the auction, they're kind of hooked. You know, I've done it myself. I've been doing this for years. And once you start bidding on something, you don't want to get beat, so you keep on hitting that button. So if we give a lot of people the opportunity to participate, our clients that are the sellers are going to do much better. And we'd rather under-promise and over-deliver to our clients that we're selling for. So we always want to start everything conservatively.